to my channel. So today we are going to see some general stocks. Okay, we'll start with Nifty and Bank Nifty comparison. Okay, you could check here. So this is the August month. This was week 1. This was week 2. Okay, I have adjusted this yellow line with previous close. Okay, so you could see this was down, again up, and then just went sideways, and again it's a V-shaped recovery. Okay, so open and close was same, so this was a positive decay situation. But for Bank Nifty, you see it came down, then sideways, came down, and then sideways, came down, and a V-shaped recovery. But open and close are not so much close like we can check in Nifty. Okay, so here you could see it went down, again went up, went down, and then sideways. So here also open and close are almost similar, so this is also a positive decay week. And here you could check it came down, went up, came down, and then went up. So here also open and close are same, so second week went very good in terms of decay. Okay, so we are entering into week 3 of August from today. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, now we will start with basics. We'll start with EOD. So these are stocks. Unfortunately, my internet is slow, so yeah, the loading is not happening. So we'll move on to the pre-open. So this is Thursday section, and Friday 15th of August we were having holidays. Okay, it was a flat opening, and then here also you could check that between 9 and 9.6 sorry, the price action was pretty stable. Okay, unfortunately this is also not opening. We will go to the FII. So this is FII data. I am not premium, so we'll go with the free version. So you could see for 14th data, here we are going to check FII. Okay, so this is the FII data, and this is the index data. Okay, index is enough. Long is buy, short is sell. This is resistance, and put short is support. Okay, so here you could see clearly the short buildup is more, so in terms of future they are bearish. When you check this data, it is looking, the resistance is very strong. Okay, we'll move on. So today it is 18th of August, and we don't have any news coming up. When you check for stocks, 18th we have only one which is giving dividends, that is Power Finncorp. Okay, so this is also not going to affect the Nifty. Most probably today we might see a small breakout, but mostly the markets are going to be sideways because of the IV. And here the next August is on 27th of August, that is next week, Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay, so we have 2 holidays this month. When you check the day data, you could see this strike and this strike being performing very well. For the next month, next week expiry, these two are going to be performing very well. When you check for Bank Nifty, is going to have a bigger range. Okay, we'll move on to the call OI. So we'll start with Nifty, and then you could clearly see how clearly the build-up has started from 230 for the next week. And when we check for Bank Nifty, this is looking pretty good because the total OI is almost similar. Now we'll go to the important part, that is the straddle. Let's have the small price action comparison here. Okay, so you could see this is the 15 minutes chart for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and it was pretty sideways. When you check the open candle, it is 600. So you could see it was a profitable trade. So from 300 it went to 288. Okay, so we'll keep 20 points decay and try to calculate the PNL. So decay was 20 points and one lot is 75 for Nifty, so the total is plus tax and brokerage. Okay, so it was a profitable trade today. We'll quickly check for next expiry as well for the same strike, and you could see the decay. I'll move on to the Bank Nifty. So this is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty open is 100. So we'll keep 200 and we'll remove 400. Okay, so you could see Bank Nifty has given clues for both. So you could see if long straddle was done here, it went up till then, but then again short straddle win. This is long straddle, and then again from here long straddle win, then again here short straddle win. Okay, so it was the equal SL hunting from both the sides. So you could see the price action, it's a similar pattern. Okay, now we'll move to the important parts, that is the ATM, and then you could see how steadily the decay was happening for the ATM. Okay, so you could read the points, and the last one is we'll see the overall build up. So here you could point out here, so 600 and 700 straddle is very good, and they become the strangle as well, and the build up for 600 was equally done on that day. Okay, so when you check for next expiry, this is the stats. So you could see the straddle and strangle, and we'll go for Bank Nifty. So for PNF, you could clearly see the strike is going to be the straddle for this week. Okay, thank you.